In this short video, I'm going to be replacing the rear dome lights in my Titan. I'm using Auxito brand 194 LED bulbs, and that's what they look like. What you're going to need to access those is either a pick or a small slotted screwdriver. Needle nose pliers come in handy as well. They're a little hard to reach in there. Let's get at it. Okay, you can take your pick. There's a little slot on one of the edges. Just go in under that, pop the lens off, put your bulb up there. This is where you're going to use your needle nose pliers. Squeeze gently and pull. Now, this is a GTR bulb. They were pretty good, but this one's not working anymore. Now, these are a little bit hard to get lined up. The easiest way is to use your needle nose pliers again and find the slot. There we go. And you can give it a little push with your thumb. Pop your lens back in, and we're good to go. So if you've been using these bulbs for a number of years now in all different applications, and they have served me very well. So if you are looking for sets, check out the description. I'm including a discount code and a link. The discount code is TitanTown, one word, no space, and you'll get a discount on your purchase of LED bulbs. Thank you for watching.